our heater and proofing cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length, total of 21.5 inches, depth of 29.25 inches. Overall height with caster wheels, a total of 66.5 inches tall. Magnetic latch handle that can be opened. Inside are 33 slots to insert your trays. So 33 trays can be inserted within each slot. The measurements for each slot to insert your trays from the left to right beam will include 19 inches in length and a depth of at least 21 inches. Those are the measurements for each compartment or slot to insert your trays. Now the overall dimensions from left to right internally, we have at least 22 inches, a depth of 28.25 inches. Overall height, we have at least 55 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be a pan to pour in your water while in proofing and heater mode. So this water pan must be filled at all times in order to operate during the proofing and heating mode. And below the insert is your heating element that will heat this water pan. Coming to the bottom are your features, on off switch, including the mode separately, whether it's operating during in heat mode or during heat and proofing mode. So on off switch, the mode to adjust, temperature up and down, and the indicator of the current temperature reading in Fahrenheit. Last but not least, this runs on 110, 120 voltage. Coming to the bottom is the ETEL certification along with the voltage and technical information for this proofer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you. What time? I did already. I did.